battery is the heart of your vehicle's complex electrical system. Its responsibility is to deliver the required electrical power to your car. It does this by storing a reserve of chemical energy in its cells, which is converted to electrical energy when it is demanded by your vehicle. The electricity provided by the battery powers all the electrically operated components in your vehicle and provides the necessary power to start your car's engine. The alternator, also known as a generator, replenishes the battery's stored energy and powers your car's electronics and accessories while the engine is running. The alternator is an important part of your car's charging system, ensuring constant power is always available when it is needed. If you operate your car's electronics when the engine isn't running, the battery power diminishes because the alternator isn't charging. Eventually, as the battery power runs down, functions will stop operating. A malfunction known as a parasitic draw happens when an electrical component or accessory continues to draw power from the battery even though the ignition is turned off. Another cause of battery failure is routinely driving short distances. More power is used starting your car than is replenished by the alternator during the short drive. The battery's stored energy is drawn down. If you try starting your car with a depleted battery, a common symptom when you turn the key is an audible click. Other symptoms of a weak battery or a faulty battery include low battery fluid level, a check engine light illuminated on your dashboard, or your engine may be slow to turn over. The average lifespan of a car battery is 3 to 5 years, depending on your driving habits and your climate.